Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Here is the latest view from our Luther Family Ford South Fargo Skycam, and there is very poor visibility. What you can't see is southbound I-29 and the on-ramp onto 32nd Avenue South, and there is a vehicle in the ditch there as well. Very tough to see as tough travel conditions continue still tonight. So let's get right into your headlines. We have a blizzard warning continuing across southeastern North Dakota and portions of the Southern Valley, and no travel advised. That blizzard warning in effect until 9 o'clock tonight, with wind gusting out of the north between 35 and 45 miles per hour, leading to drifting snow and whiteout conditions. Some areas near impossible travel. We will have a break in the snow tonight. I'll time that out here in just a minute, but it's still going to be windy and we might still be dealing with the drifting potential before more snow by tomorrow morning. Here's what we're looking at right now. You can see over the last 2 hours, I have this on a 2-hour loop, the intensity of the snow has started to diminish a little bit. So that break starting to make itself known in areas like the James River Valley, but we have had some areas, some snow bands with snowfall rates 1 inch of snow per hour. Here's what we're looking at for the latest winds out of the north, gusting to 39 miles per hour here in Fargo, seeing a recent gust in Oaks to 40 miles per hour, gusting to 37 miles per hour in the Jamestown area, and visibility still very low as it has been since this morning when the snow and wind really got going. Still zero visibility out near Oaks, a 1/4 mile, Jamestown, and in Fargo. Here's what we're looking at for snowfall reports. These aren't actual numbers, but the reports that have come in are mostly concentrated right along the North Dakota-South Dakota border and into west central Minnesota. That's where we've been seeing the heaviest snow. Here's a few reports that we've had. I want to point out that some of these are dated because the wind has been making it very difficult to get out and measure snow. Victor, South Dakota, latest report 11 inches, 8 inches in Ellendale and Hecla, South Dakota, 7.6 inches in Hankinson, 7 in Lidgerwood, Sisseton picking up 6.5, Hoffman, Minnesota, 1/2 foot of snow, Breckenridge 4.8, 3.3 in Wolverton, Battle Lake picking up 2.5 inches of fresh snow on this Monday. Timing your hour-by-hour forecast, that snow is going to continue to gradually taper off to the east over the next couple of hours, but notice the wind still sticks around out of the north and northeast, and temperatures remain cold. We're in double digits, some teens below zero up in the Devil's Lake Basin, falling below zero once that snow ends in the Southern Valley. Overnight and into tomorrow morning, we'll start to see round 2 pick up after a little bit of a break, but snow's not quite done yet. We'll see another resurgence of that snow by tomorrow morning, mostly south and east as it has been the last 12 or so hours, if not more. But tomorrow is going to be another cold day with those gusty winds continuing out of the north and frigid temperatures. We're likely going to stay below zero all day tomorrow, and in fact, until Friday afternoon. Here's a look at additional snowfall. So this is on top of what has already fallen. You can see an additional 1 to 3 inches in Fargo, 3 to 6 near areas like Fergus Falls and Sisseton. And the darker blues in central Minnesota could still see 6 to 8 inches of snow. Your Fargo planner tonight, we will see that little bit of break in the snow. Temperatures falling below zero and then remaining below zero. And notice the northerly wind still sustained in the 20-mile-per-hour range through the overnight hours. So tomorrow is another first alert weather day for the wind. Additional areas of snow to the south and east, and blowing snow a concern yet again for tomorrow, with tough travel and potential whiteout conditions possible again. From there, we turn cold. Teens and 20s below zero expected for morning temperatures from Wednesday morning until Friday morning. And then, Mike, we start to see that gradual improvement by Friday evening, warming up above zero, and then we're above zero through the day Saturday as well. So very eventful next couple of days.
Best 2 words in that whole weather presentation: gradual improvement.
Gradual improvement. That's all we can do.
Valley News Live is once again teaming up with Make-A-Wish North Dakota for its Wishes in Flight Miles for Smiles drive. Air travel is the largest expense of this chapter's annual wish budget, but you can help tomorrow by donating your unused air miles to help Make-A-Wish give dream vacations to children diagnosed with critical illnesses. Up next on Valley News Live at 5, don't beat yourself up over failed New Year's resolutions. There's plenty of time to start again.